welcome back to another video. Before we get started, please like, subscribe, and share. Hey, as we know, the markets are looking pretty bad. Stock market, crypto market is looking bad, especially the stock market is going down. We have all the big players pretty much is falling. You know, we can contribute to many different things. It can be still from that 0.5% increase that the Fed said that they're going to increase next month. Some of it is dealing with the recent Elon purchase of Twitter, and some people feel that he's using some of the Tesla stocks and to use that collateral. And you do have people shorting the stock because they pretty much are sourpusses, and you know it is what it is. You know, it's kind of tough, but buy assets in companies that you believe in. Like, for example, I had Tesla and Apple. I have a few more other companies, but like the ones that I had for the longest, I had them. I know I had Tesla since 2000 and around 2018. I had Apple around 2019. Now, throughout the time, I bought a little bit more. You know, I bought some of the highs. I bought it when it was in the thousands. I bought it in the 900s. So it pushed my cost basis up, but it's still low, and I'm still ahead of the game, even though Tesla dropped like 15% during the course of a few days, and Apple's down pretty big. Either way, I'm still up in those things. So always remember, once you invest in companies that you believe in, it doesn't matter. You believe in a company. Like for me, I believe in Tesla because I purchased 2 Teslas, and I pretty much had every Apple product. But always remember, even though the markets are down, bulls makes money, bear makes money, and pigs get slaughtered. So you don't want to be a pig. So now, with the markets down, what am I going to do? What I'm going to do is stake some Luna that I had in my wallet. I have about 31 Lunas in my wallet. I was just having it sitting there, and I would decide what I wanted to do. I would decide at one point I was going to start buying other coins like Rune from Thorchain. I bought some Solana, then I bought some Cosmos. So that's what I was doing. And to the point, like, about how long ago that was, about 10 days, 15, well, yeah, about 11 days ago, I undelegated 50 Luna because the plan was, I said, well, you know what, let me start spreading around. But then, you know, due to this downturn, I realized how strong Luna is. And now I'm deciding, I say, you know what, maybe I need to hold on to my Luna and not trade it in for other coins to diversify in my portfolio. But I decided to say, you know what, as of right now, Luna is probably the safest asset. I mean, and this may be blasphemy here, but I think at this point, Luna store value it could be argued that it's more than Bitcoin at this point, because mainly Luna has utility. You know, say what you want about Bitcoin. Bitcoin was the first crypto that I got into, the first crypto that I understood, and I always will have Bitcoin a certain amount. However, I realized is that, you know, Luna is a store of value, and you have a reason to hold it, and you can do stuff with it. You know, like you can hold your Luna, and the Luna can make you more Luna. You hold your Bitcoin, you just holding Bitcoin. But like I said, Bitcoin is the king of the hill, so it's always safe to have some Bitcoin. You don't need a lot, but to have some. Bitcoin won't make you rich, but it will protect what you have. Now, Luna, on the other hand, I think Luna right now can change your life. You know, it changed my life by just understanding it, but it can really change your life. So I'm rethinking. Well, I already rethought this 50 Luna, and then when it comes out in 10 days, I'm not going to trade it in for anything. I don't know if I'm going to restake it, but I'm going to hold on to it and decide what I want. I might do some anchor stuff, But in the meanwhile, what I want to do is stake some of the Luna that I do have, because I want to get to that I want to get to that sweet number of 420, since everybody likes that number. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to delegate 20 Luna. So it breaks it down to me. The fee is 15 cents, and I'll have 11 Luna left over. So all right, so now I'm going to start it. Here we go. Look at this. About took about 8 seconds. I think the network is busy. So now I added more to here. So as you see, I have 11 Luna left over. So now I got 120 stake. I still got 50 coming out. And I mean, I almost regret buying Solana a little bit, even though I like Solana projects and I was playing with it. I love Solana as far as using it for fun stuff. But you know, Solana don't have any airdrops, and I'm really starting to like airdrops. I got Cosmos. Cosmos has some airdrops, even though I haven't gotten any yet, but soon I will. So now I got 420 Luna that is being staked. I have mine staked in Thorchain Bull Ventures.org. I got 200 there. I got some in the NOD games, and I got some in the Galactic Punks. I have it here basically trying to win the lottery for Galactic Punks. So see what happens. All right, there go the quick video. Always remember, when the markets is down, that's an opportunity for people who were sitting on the sidelines thinking about, is this a good time for me to get in? And they wasn't sure, and this is the time. You know, this is an opportunity for you to get in. And like I said, with my, especially with my Tesla stock, because that's the longest assets that I had held besides my 401k for my job. That's the longest assets I held. And now I'm so far ahead of the game, and I have no reason to sell. You know, I'm still working a day job, so I have no reason to sell it. And I just, you know, let it sit there, and then, you know, one day hopefully I get to live long enough to retire comfortably. Very, 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 very comfortably. All right, everyone, have a good day. Thanks for watching. Check you on the next video.